Get ready for the ultimate stump grinding experience with speed and efficiency unmatched. I'm Josh, and this is the Skid Pro Stump Grinder. Our stump grinder combines a stout build with a simple, efficient design, and productivity being the key focus. A skid loader operates on hydraulic power. This fluid drive has lower efficiency than a direct mechanical connection that a tow-behind stump grinder has. So it's imperative to maximize every drop of power running through this loader's hydraulic pump. This is where our unique stump grinder stands alone at the top of the hill. Our goal was simple: engineer a stump grinder that is not only incredibly efficient, but also easy to use and economical in nature. We wanted to open the door to everyday acreage owners with standard flow skid loaders that previously couldn't run a stump grinder. While our stump grinder is ultra compact, it still comes in over 600 pounds, showing you its build packs a punch in even a small package. Now here's the real focus to this design. Yeah, it looks different, and for good reason. It isn't the traditional swing arm design. Why not? Well, swing arm grinders have added complexity, require the added cost of 2 cylinders, more hoses, an expensive hydraulic valve block, plus temperamental electric controls that can fail on the job. All that said, the key to the ultra-efficient design of our grinder is it puts 100% of the hydraulic fluid of your skid loader to the cutting wheel. Zero, I repeat, zero fluid is transferred away from the drive motor while cutting. Contrast that to the swing arm design that has 2 cylinders to feed oil to during cutting. Both the swing arm and the height adjustment requires oil to be diverted from the cutting wheel to those cylinders for adjustment. This doesn't sound like that big of a deal, right? It can't take that much oil to operate the boom swing cylinder and the depth cylinder. While this might not be as critical on high flow skid loaders, it pretty much prevented standard flow machines from running a stump grinder at all. Well, this design has changed all that. Some of you may say, this sounds great, but now I have to move my machine to get through the entire stump. No question, this is true, but what we can forget on skid loader swing arm models, they too require multiple repositioning during an entire stump. And this actually lends itself to another Skid Pro advantage. Moving the machine on the go is intuitive and seamless, whereas the setting up in multiple positions of a swing arm cylinder is significantly more time consuming. Our grinder is not only more efficient, but also faster start to finish too. Now let's move on to where the rubber meets the road, or more accurately, where the steel meets the wood. This grinder boasts an aggressive cutting wheel that is 24 inches wide with 34 carbide tip teeth. The bolt-on teeth utilize a strategic radius pattern for aggressive yet smooth grinding. Their flat-faced carbide design is durable and long-lasting, but they can also be easily and economically replaced. The grinder has an industry-leading 22-inch wide horizontal cut with up to 5 inches depth of cut depending on your loader flow. The carbide teeth extend 1¼ inches from the rotor to prevent chips and mulch from clogging, reducing heat buildup that can damage the rotor and cause premature tooth failure. Another tooth design benefit is the ample space between the teeth, which enables it to rip bigger chunks from the stump, reducing grinding time significantly. The fine mulch created by many conventional stump grinders is a major power sink. Our grinder is designed to shred stumps as fast and efficiently as possible Again, maximum productivity. One of the customer favorite features is the grinder's unique ability to cut below grade. The exposed wheel can get as deep as 10 inches below ground level, outpacing most other grinders on the market. This means less settling of the ground after you bring in fill and less work down the road. The steel rotor is 3/4 inch thick, made of high tensile steel for strength and density, not to mention added inertia. Both stability and longevity are built in. The solid design of the rotor helps eliminate flexing for smoother, more comfortable operation. We custom match motors to your flow to hit the optimal level of performance and balance the speed of the wheel with enough torque to tear through stumps with ease and effectiveness. This unit has the high flow motor with the external pressure relief block. Our standard flow grinders are the same with the exception of a smaller motor and pressure relief stems instead of a block. Another benefit to our grinder design is its mounted height at which it can be operated. We can handle the tallest stumps easily, where traditional swing arm grinders cannot. At Skid Pro, our motto is better products, better service, happier customers. Well, operator ease plays right into that. How can we make it more enjoyable or comfortable to operate? Well, in the case of the stump grinder, the rotor's unique position gives the operator a clear view of the stump grinding process from the cab. This contrasts to many of the conventional units where the swing arm, frame, or oversized screen gets in the way of the operator's line of sight. The visibility of our grinder is second to none, and being able to see clearly throughout the grinding process saves time and strain on the operator. A heavy-duty deflector ensures debris is directed safely into the ground and away from the machine. Multiple grip tape locations for easy cab entry and exit, plus a convenient coupler holder bracket round out the operator bonus features. We don't really have any options on this grinder. Everything you see is standard, but we do have different sizes and motor packages depending on your machine's hydraulic flow. Heck, our design is so efficient, we can even put these on those super small skid steers and walk behind skid loaders. For more details on Skid Pro's stump grinder that touts best-in-class efficiency and might just be the easiest to use grinder on the planet, give a product guru a call or visit us online at skidpro.com.